Greetings and welcome to the Proofreading and Editing course. Here, you will learn how to perfect written content. This course gives you the tools you need to succeed in the area, from understanding the fundamentals of editing and proofreading to exploring the complex aspects of syntax, punctuation, and spelling. Whether you want to upgrade your abilities as an experienced professional or launch a career in this field, this course provides a strong foundation of knowledge and useful applications. So, why is this course important? Well, throughout this course, aspiring authors, freelance writers, and content creators seeking to refine their works before publication will find invaluable tools and techniques. Students aiming to improve their academic writing skills and submit error-free assignments and essays will also benefit greatly from the insights provided in this course. Professionals in fields like publishing, journalism, and marketing that need excellent written communication will learn useful tips and techniques to improve their editing and proofreading skills. Also, this course will be a fulfilling attempt for personal growth and hobby enhancement for individuals who are interested about language and writing. How will our course be beneficial to you? In this course, you will learn the fundamental rules of grammar, including all parts of speech and basic sentence structure. This will enable you to proofread and edit your written work with precision and accuracy. You will discover the different types of proofreading symbols, get efficient changes tracking skills, and effortlessly handle several document versions during the course. Whether you are editing a large document, adding markup, or reviewing a PDF, you will discover priceless tips and tricks in this course that will improve your editing and proofreading skills in this valuable course. See you in the course. I believe this course will turn out to be a very good learning journey for proofreading and editing.